I'm at wit's end with this Mott's applesauce. We need to get rid of it once and for all. Let's do this. Perfect. Hi, welcome back to Subpar Cooking. In today's video, we're going to be making homemade applesauce. Here's all the ingredients you'll need today. The list of ingredients will be down in the description below. Go check it out. Alright, first step, you're going to want to go ahead and peel your apples. So just... oh, like that.
There you go.
So just keep getting a good peel going until your apple is fully peeled. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and core our apple. So just take this little nifty tool here and just like that. Now, take the core, throw it out. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and chop up our peeled and sliced apples and cored. Do not include the core. That has seeds and cyanides in that, and cyanide kills. So this is Emma recording, and we didn't realize how many apple slices it'd make, so this is gonna take a while. Alright, now that we have all of our apples sliced up into little chunks, that took a while. Let's just go ahead and go on to the next step, which is, I don't know, because, like I said, never done this before. Harris?
Yeah.
So, it didn't say 6 apples, it said 6 cups of apple.
What?
Let's go ahead and turn on our burner to medium heat. And now let's pour in 3/4 of a cup of water.
Oh.
And then now pour in your 6 cup of apples, this is 4.
Careful, you want my hand?
Alright, that's about 2 cups there. Go ahead and pour that in. Now we have the cinnamon and the ground clove. It's going to be 1/8 of a teaspoon. Grab this baby. We're probably good. Alright, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we stir. Alright, we're going to go ahead and add a 1/2 cup of sugar into our mixture right here. So just pour that in, and we're going to stir it. Alright, now we're just going to let this simmer a little bit longer right here. Just make sure you're on a nice low heat to let it simmer, and let's do it. Alright, so we've been letting this stir and simmer for about 30 minutes or an hour or so. It really depends, you know, it's hard to describe. Once you get this applesauce looking consistency, you know you're ready to eat some applesauce. It's gonna be tasty. Stay around. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and try some more applesauce in this nice apple dish. That's really good applesauce, oh my goodness. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and to tune in next time.